to Dean's garage. So one of the frustrating parts of this is my work schedule. I live at night. So unfortunately, unless I want to piss off every neighbor in the general vicinity, I don't get to work at night, which means I got a few hours here and there before each shift that I can kind of do things. So where we're at right now, the bed's in the garage, we're ready to start working on it. But no, we're not. To get this thing stripped down and ready to start sanding, we got to remove all of these slats in here. Downside is that those carriage bolts are rusted on for the most part. Now, you could actually sit there, use some PB blast or whatever, try to get the nuts off, pull it out that way, but I'm going to have to replace those carriage bolts anyway. Well, can't be tied if it's liquid, or in my case, cutting them off. So Mom's coming over here in a second. She's going to help me. We're going to demo this sucker, get those slats out. We still also have to remove the tailgate and then the lights, the license plate holder, all those things. Then we can get to the sanding that I hope to do here in about 4 days on Sunday. I figure once it's demoed, we can have on my day off, truly actually get some work done. So let's demo this sucker. So today is the first real day of sanding. It's gonna suck a lot, but it's gotta be done. So over the course of the work week, we finally stripped down the entire bed, so now we're ready to rock there. And today we are going to start the sanding. So, starting at 80 grit, removing as much paint as humanly possible. Trying to remove all that rust that's there. When the rust is down to bare metal, hit it with a little bit of Rust-Oleum, seal it up, that way it doesn't do anything bad over the course of time. And that's where we're going. So I'm going to be putting an 8-hour workday in. I got some friends coming along the way. You'll meet them eventually. But time lapse, here we go. Shinest my truck's ever been. Alright, this is Kevin. He has stupidly volunteered to sign on for the job. Thank you, but you are dumb, man.
I've been told that.
Yeah, right on. Thanks, buddy. We got Amanda. She's been tolerating me for 20 years plus. You love me, don't you?
Something like that.
That works. We got Jeffy. Jeffy's a tech guy, but today he's getting his hands dirty with us. Ready to do this?
Of course.
Absolutely. Right on.
Hey, guess what? What's going on?
Guess what? I already did that once too.
Can you move this?
Also, please take breaks. Get out of the bed air, please.
Let the dust settle.
No, I'm saying for you guys.
Fine.
Alright. I'm getting sexy. I know I'm getting sexy up in this bitch, but
I'm gonna go grab something to drink.
yeah, feel free, raise the fridge, everything. How do you guys feel our audition for Blue Man Group went? I think I screwed the pooch on that solo, so if we don't get invited back, I'm sorry. All right.
It's all right, man.
Thanks, Good.
Give it your best shot.
Well, with the reinforcements, we got 12 hours of work done in 3. Thank God, and thank you both. Sorry for the cigarette. I'm filthy
You're
habit. All right, thank you for watching Dean's Garage. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah, no, it's Dean's Garage now, not the dustbin.
Not the dustbin.
Not well, it means dusty as hell right now. Yeah. Pretty sure this is what is the aftermath of a Smurf orgy. Downside is I have to clean this now. To the broom!